In this GatLabs video, we'll be giving an overview of Tim. To begin, go to timeismun.ie. From here, click Add to Chrome. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome again to install the extension. Click the extensions icon and log in if prompted. Now select the Settings button to configure Tim. In the new window, you will be in the Timer section. Here you can create, edit, or delete a timer. To create a timer, select Add New. Give your timer a name. You can add a link to the Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet if you have already set up one. Next, choose the type of timer you want. You can decide between a single-use timer or a recurring timer. When setting a timer to recurring, you can choose its cron type. This will determine when it will recur. You can even use a custom cron. I will select single time since this timer will only be used once, and here you can choose the date and time. Next, you can add the cost of the meeting by inputting the hourly labor costs as well as the currency. If selected, this shows the participants how much the meeting is costing real-time in terms of human resource costs. In the area below, you can begin adding your sections. You can allocate a topic to a speaker and a time for each section. In this example, we have 3 minutes of preparation, followed by a 10-minute sales report from John and a marketing report from Sarah. Then a 15-minute presentation from the team manager and a short discussion for 5 minutes. Once you have set the timer, click the Save button. You can always edit your timer using the pencil icon. Using the eye icon, you can view a preview of the timer. The next two options are links that you can copy. There are 2 links you can send. The first link is a manager or organizer link. You can send this to all the people whom you want to control the timer. In effect, this lets those users, as well as you, manage the agenda during the meeting. The second link can be sent to all other users. This allows them to see the clock and the agenda, but does not allow them to stop the clock or move between speaking points. These links can be added to the emails or calendar invites you send out for the meeting. And finally, the last button will delete the timer. That covers this Tim overview. If you enjoyed this GatLabs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GatPlus by following the link in the description.